Hi, this is Kip Wise from StageRight Corporation, and this is our AlphaRoll Riser. It's a simple fold and roll type riser that would be perfect in your venue. Simply roll it into place, unfold it, and it's ready to use. The AlphaRoll Riser comes in two different models. It comes in a standard model, which offers a single surface. Also comes in an elite model, where it has a reversible surface to meet any of your event needs. Another great feature of the AlphaRoll is its multi-height adjustability. With different leg options, you can range in stage heights from 16-inch to 40-inch. Just imagine if you had several of these AlphaRoll risers in your venue, how easy it would be to set up and strike a stage. For more information, please contact us.